Hi guys, so it's day 3. I'm taking a break muna from working out and running. Nag-dinner na ako, I've taken a bath. Lots of time left on our hands, so yeah, I'll do music. So this one track, yung ni-record ko yung on my knees. I tried looking for the chords, so yung chords niya is G minor 7. Then C minor 7. Then magiging D minor 7. Should sound like this. Tapos pag nilagyan ko siya sa baba. Then nagkaroon ako ng hint kung anong key siya kasi minor yung G, minor yung C, minor yung D. So I figured magkasunod yung C and D, so this could be yung second and yung third. And then the G could be yung sixth. So yung key niya is in B flat major. Next step is to get the solo with C. So para ma-contextualize siya in other keys. So the chords should sound like this.